Hi guys. What's going on? Welcome to Tutorials for Life. I hope 2018 is getting good for you. So today we are going to talk about the YouTube policies, which was updated on the 16th of January of 2018. It doesn't matter whether you are new or old YouTuber, or your channel is big or small, it's for all the creators. So don't miss the video, watch it till last. It will definitely lead you grow your channel and policies of 2018. So let's start by discussing the matter in detail. So from the last few years the graph of YouTube has increased by a huge factor. There is a drastic increase in the number of channels started in 2017. Also with the increasing audience, just for the sake of money people were uploading low-quality videos and the content was not of their own. Ultimately YouTube was suffering with the bad content, false news and misleading audience, due to which YouTube had to set up a criteria in 2017 with at least 10,000 views in the channel to enable the monetization. But it was not enough for the YouTube to identify the spammers and impersonators, and other bad actors. They need more information to determine whether a channel is following their community guidelines and policies or not. It's been clear over the last few months that they need a higher standard. So starting from the 16th of January of 2018 they had introduced that for the new channel to enable monetization following conditions are mandatory. 1. 4,000 hours of watch time. 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. 2. 1,000 subscribers. 3. 10,000 views on channel. Now the question is, what about the already existing channels? So in your channel, if monetization is already enabled, then in that case YouTube is giving you the grace time period of 30 days from the 20th of February of 2018, and if your channel mandatory does not follow any of the three conditions, then they will no longer be able to earn money on YouTube. And when they reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, they will be automatically reevaluated under strict criteria to ensure they comply with their policies. And let me give you the official statement of YouTube declaring this policy. Starting today we are changing the eligibility requirement for monetization to 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. We've arrived at these new thresholds after thorough analysis and conversations with creators like you. They will allow us to significantly improve our ability to identify creators who contribute positively to the community and help drive more ad revenue to them and away from bad actors. These higher standards will also help us prevent potentially inappropriate videos from monetizing, which can hurt revenue for everyone. On February 20th, 2018, we'll also implement this threshold across existing channels on the platform to allow for a 30-day grace period. On that date, channels with fewer than 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours will no longer be able to earn money on YouTube. When they reach 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, they will be automatically reevaluated under strict criteria to ensure they comply with our policies. New channels will need to apply, and their application will be evaluated when they hit these milestones. So you don't need to worry about with the new policy. These policies are applied to stop the false content. Keep hard working and stay confident within yourself. Also, I have provided the official link of the updated policy in the description below, so if you find this video informative then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorials for Life, because this channel is all about sharing tech tutorials. And please share this video with your friend and make them aware with their content. Thank you.